so welcome to the Parent Center.
Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and I'm excited to share that I'm at the grand opening of the Parent Center at the ECLC, or the Early Child Learning Center.
We're so excited to be here today at the Parent Center at ECLC. Hello, thank you for joining us here at our Parent Center open house. We have now created a space for all of our Irvine community families to come and learn about early childhood, the resources that we can provide as parents have early learners entering into IUSD.
And we're super excited to show you this Parent Center here. It's an amazing space for parents to connect with one another and to help understand developmental milestones, to strengthen the homeschool connection, help their child develop, and seek support from the community and from one another.
You could say it's our district preschool. And so all our little ones are there, and they're having a chance to learn in conjunction with our IUSD teachers and the support of our amazing community.
We host programs for children 0 to 5. We have a specific Learning Link program for our youngest ones, and then at the school we service 3 to 5. We have a full staff of school psychologists, occupational therapists, speech and language, basically everything you need to make sure your child's developing.
We provide parent trainings that include toilet training, behavior training, social emotional. We also have this lovely space here behind me to come and build community with other families, build friendships, help spark play dates.
So this first connection point is so critical. And once again, in addition to our staff, there's no greater influence than the work and role of the parent.
I think I'm excited for parents to become more empowered, to be partners in their children's education, to feel a part of the school system.
The community, the parents and the kids come out and just essentially network.
Hey, so welcome to the Parent Center. This is the space that is going to be continuously set up. We have resources for families, local resources, parent coaching, and then as well as just kind of a library set up on different subjects: toileting, infants and toddlers, education and theory, everything. And then connections too. So like we're starting our first parent book club. So I'm the parent educator here, but I think a great way for us to come together is to have more of a discussion forum. So it'll be led through this book club. And then you can also have one-on-one meetings with me if you're looking for specific support for a certain behavioral challenge. So this is always set up for parents.
At many of our sites, there are these translation tools that are available. You can see that it looks like an iPad on one side, and then there's also a screen on the other side. You put the language that you want on one side, and then it translates it to the person and language on the other side.
Have some resources outside that have come to be present here at ECLC today to really make connections with families and show the types of supports we have in our community, as far including our police officers here today to show his support. We have Regional Center of Orange County here to help with any special education questions or resources that they can provide. We have Pretend City here, which is a great partner of ours. Please come and join us anytime. We're open Monday through Friday all day. You're welcome to stop by.